I'm Dr. N. Satyashila from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The topic we are going to discuss today is active and passive sensors. On completion, the students will able to know what is an active and passive sensor, choosing which type of sensor are used for various applications. Active and passive sensor. Active sensors. Active sensors requires an external power source to operate. They emit energy into the environment and measure the reflected or modified signal. The characteristics of active sensor are they need external power supply, can generate their own signal, high accuracy and fast response, more complex and costly. Hall effect sensor detect magnetic field using power supply. Example, motor speed detection. Application in IoT, smart vehicles, industrial automation, robotics, smart parking system. Passive sensors. Passive sensors do not emit energy. They detect natural energy or change in the environment. Characteristics do not require external power for sensing, low cost and simple design, slower response compared to active sensors, less complex. Types of passive sensors. Temperature sensor, measure heat. Example, thermistor, RTD. Light sensor, detect light intensity. Example, light dependent resistor, that is LDR. Pressure sensor, measure applied force or pressure. Barometric sensor. Humidity sensor, measure moisture in air. Example, capacitive humidity sensor. Passive infrared sensor, detect infrared radiation from humans. Example, motion detection in smart home. Applications in IoT, smart home automation, weather monitoring, healthcare monitoring, smart agriculture. Comparison between active and passive sensor. Active, passive sensors. Power requirement. External power is required in active sensor. No external power for sensing in passive sensor. Energy emission. Emit energy. Do not emit energy. Complexity. In active sensor, the complexity is higher, and for passive sensor, the complexity is low. Cost of active sensor is higher and the cost of passive sensor is less. Accuracy. The accuracy of active sensor is high when compared to passive sensor, and the accuracy of passive sensor is moderate. Questions. Define active and passive sensor. Write the comparison between active and passive sensor. Explain briefly about active and passive sensor with various applications. Thank you.